Now at 6, 9 on your side investigates taking a look at a local credit union after several customers called us with complaints after a recent merger.
Local government Federal Credit Union transferred hundreds of thousands of accounts when it merged with Civic Credit Union last month. 9 on your side's Davis Supas joins us tonight in the studio after talking to some frustrated customers and representatives with Civic. Davis.
Ken, Aaron, you guys mentioned it, over 400,000 accounts getting transferred, and overall this has been a big win for Civic. But they do acknowledge the notable chunk of complaints ranging from customer service issues to money not being in customers' accounts.
Local government Federal Credit Union's partnership with State Employees Credit Union ended last month.
My car payment is gone, my rent's gone, there's a whole bunch of charges that I don't know who did it.
Tyler had an account with local government Federal Credit Union for more than 40 years. She told me she didn't know about the change. She thought the notices in the mail were junk.
And it was like, oh, welcome me to my new bank. Well, then next thing you know, I'm contacting the bank because my card didn't want to act right. Come to find out, charges were being taken out of my account that I didn't authorize.
Civic Credit Union receiving a lot of similar complaints. Today, I talked to CEO Dwayne Naylor.
The vast majority of our members, they were flourishing and having a good experience, but every single member matters. And so the members that have had the complaints and the frustrations and things like that are critically important. That is all we're thinking about every day. I've got a team dedicated to making sure that we can solve all their problems.
For Civic, the feedback so far has been clear, as seen by 30+ complaints and counting, according to the Better Business Bureau's website.
People complained about account issues, so not being able to access accounts, not being able to use cards tied to their accounts, balances of their accounts were changing, and also checks bouncing and things like that, and then not being able to get that resolved with customer service.
Naylor also emphasizing security and the importance of communication between his staff and customers.
Not only is the money safe, but every financial institution has cyber insurance and things like that. So the dollar amount is not an issue. The issue is us connecting with our members. This is all about member service, and this transformation is so big that it breaks our heart that some members have been caught in that not being able to answer phones, but that is very temporary.
These solutions are needed urgently.
Now I'm on a set of waiting on my third cards to come from Civic, because right now they've closed my account out due to fraudulent activity. So far they've got my car payment, and as far as I know, probably my rent check.
We also reached out to the National Credit Union Association, the governing agency for credit unions. We're told they are unable to comment on matters related to specific credit unions.
Now, Davis, for someone watching at home who might be dealing with this or a similar issue, what can they do?
Well, if you've been impacted by this, experts say it is important to check the status of insurance that your account may have. One option is also contacting the National Credit Union Association. This federal organization's Consumer Assistance Center is open to helping members by working with credit unions directly. Civic CEO Dwayne Naylor also encourages members with issues to call him directly. His phone number can be found on our website at WNCT.com. Reporting live in studio, I'm Davis Supas, 9 on your side.
All right, Davis, thanks.